What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's been a minute. So, as you can see, we're back in the heights of Salisbury. We just arrived, so we're just getting ready to go up to the working area. So, yeah, this is what I have to be carrying today to go up over there. So, adios.
Well, I'm going to work very hard today. Very, very hard. Very, very.
Dry banana, fresh.
Breakfast this morning. Breakfast.
All what they eating is sugar. All what they using up there is sugar. Oh, because that's you.
So it looks like rain is coming, and we're a little bit concerned that we may not be able to work. So we're just monitoring the rain right now to see what is gonna happen. But it's still kind of, oh no, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
All of it is dead lost. Too much water, we go no with. Too much rain.
So this is what we had done earlier in the week. All this. So now we're gonna do this. And we have done this so far for the day. Look at this, right? There's a farm all the way on top of the hill. There's one right there. And it's literally on a hill, on top of a mountain. Just like me. So we're basically done with planting the lettuce. So we're gonna, what are we gonna do, Mommy? So we're gonna pick some tomato right now. So that's what we're gonna do. And water something. water the lettuce from. So this is what it's looking like afterwards. Daddy! Jesus. Okay, so we are done on the farm, so this will be the end of the video. Today wasn't too much. We just had to do a little thing here and there. But yeah, this is the end. Thank you for watching. Bye.